Some dogs make people smile the moment they see them. Chupey makes people stop and ask, "Wait, are you sure that's a dog?" The rescuer had spent years saving abandoned and injured animals, but nothing prepared her for the tiny creature hiding beneath an old shed.
Where did you put it? Chupey, you gotta go get it.
At first glance, she thought it might be a bear cub or even a coyote. With folded ears, squinty eyes, and tiny teeth sticking out like a permanent grin, Chupey looked unlike any puppy she had ever seen.
What? What? Hey? Are you cheering for the dogs?
The family who found him knew very little. He had been born under the shed, exposed to freezing weather and wild predators, yet somehow survived. Quiet and cautious, he never barked or growled. He simply stared at her, as if wondering whether he could trust another human.
Good boy. You ready? Yeah, good boy.
At the veterinary clinic, even the vet was surprised. After a careful examination, he smiled and said, "He's definitely unusual, but he's healthy." The biggest concern was his delicate skin, which was so thin that he needed soft shirts to protect him from scratches. The plan was simple: help him recover, then find him a forever home.
Chupey, can I get it? Ow, ow. Can I get it? Ow, ow.
For days, Chupey barely moved. He slept peacefully, finally feeling safe. Then one afternoon, everything changed. He made a tiny sound. Soon those little noises became playful conversations.
She won't play with you? Is she not playing with you? Oh no.
Before long, he was racing through the house, chasing toys, demanding cuddles, and filling every room with joy. If he wanted attention, he didn't wait for permission. He climbed right into her lap as if he had always belonged there.
Got your toy? You got your toy?
Watching the transformation, her husband laughed. "You're keeping that dog," he said. She denied it, but by Christmas the decision had already been made. Looking at Chupey sleeping comfortably in his bed, she whispered, "You're home."
What?
7 years later, strangers still ask what kind of dog he is. She simply smiles and replies, "He's one of a kind." Sometimes the most unusual rescue becomes the greatest gift, proving that love doesn't care about appearances. It only sees the heart inside. Every rescue has a story worth sharing. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing animal transformations. Thanks for being here, and see you next time.